Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Peter Pan and Return to Neverland Theater. So, it will be about Peter Pan and Return to Neverland, the second one. And please, relax, sit down, and enjoy the show. Do 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 do. Oh, hi, Betty. My name is Peter Pan. I'm a boy who never grew up in Neverland. So you see, today is a new day. Like, I get to go and find my enemy, Captain Hook. Because today, me and Captain Hook have a fighting turn up today. So that means I cut off Captain Hook's left hand, and he had to wear a hook where his hand's supposed to be. And also, I throw his hand to the crocodile, and also I throw the alarm clock to the crocodile. So every time it goes to Hook, it goes tick tock. That means I warn him. Alright then, come on, folks, and let's find Captain Hook, because today me and Captain Hook will start to fight. Hope he wouldn't even kidnap one of my lost boys. Will he? Maybe not.